Hello friends. So today I am going to give the information about medical studies from United States of America, the number one country in the world, number one economy in the world. The medical degrees from United States are directly accepted by the National Medical Commission and mostly globally. So now I will be explaining you the education system of United States. First we should compare Indian education system and US education system. So why you should think about the United States? So because of the research-based education. Secondly, free medical post-graduation where you can get the complete with a stipend of $5,000 to $10,000 per month, where you can get complete return on investment. Third, whatever technological enhancements are happening in coming 10 years, you will get exposure for it. Very great employment opportunities globally. So these are some of the main reasons why you should think about the United States. Now, as far as the India is concerned, in India, if you will consider the number of seats available around 1,12,000 and the number of students who wants to pursue the medical education or appearing for the NEET are around 23 lakhs. So 1,12,000 seats in government as well as private sector. The average cost of undergraduation in India is at around 75 lakhs to 1.25 lakhs in the non-management quotas in private universities. And the cost of post-graduation in India is from 50 lakhs to 2.5 crore rupees. Not every student can go into the government seats because of the scarcity of government seats or because of the reservation. Per category, the number of seats are not enough to accommodate all the students. So these are the main reasons. So one option is that you can study your MBBS in India and you can prepare your academic and non-academic profile, and then you can move to the United States for the free medical PG with a stipend of $5,000 to $10,000 per month. This is one option. Now, those students who want to directly go to the United States, so there are multiple options, and I will explain you the education system of US. In United States, there is a pre-medical part that is called as BS pre-medical for 4 years. After that, the student will be giving the MCAT examination. And after clearing the MCAT examination, the student can apply for the MD programs. Or after the completion of MCAT, he or she can apply for the Doctor of Osteopathy programs, which is called as DO programs. So based on your MCAT results, you can go for a MD or a DO program. Now after the total duration for the MD is 4 years and the total duration for the BS is 4 years, total 7 to 8 years of education is available because it is a credit based system. So the students can complete more number of credits in a semester and they can complete a pre-medical in shorter duration of time. So basically 8 years of undergrad, and after that the student will be giving, if he is doing the MD, if he has completed the MD, he can give the USMLE step 1 and step 2, and then he can apply for the residency program, free medical PG program in United States with a stipend of $5,000 to $10,000 per month. Second option is that for Doctor of Osteopathy students, they will be giving complex examination, and after that they will be doing the free medical PG there. Allopathy practice, for allopathy practice they will be doing that. The third option is that after 12th, you can directly go for a 6 years integrated program, pre-medical or pre-PA and PA program in United States, where you will be getting, after completion of the PA program, you will be getting the license to practice as a clinician in United States. So this is also a wonderful opportunity for the student. Now, the admissions in the United States are based on academic and non-academic profile of the student. Academic profile has got 50% weightage. Then non-academic profile has 25% weightage. All your sports activities, social service, environmental projects, all this will be considered into that. And your analytical ability. So some standardized examination like SAT and TOEFL can help you to get lot of scholarships. So one advanced placement examination is also there, which is generally in May, once in a year. So the students, if starts early and if he is clearing the AP examination with a good score, various subjects are there, so you can plan accordingly to your career objectives. So you are getting lot of credit waivers and you can get lot of scholarships also. So lot of scholarships and easy bank finances are available for the students. So these are the various options. Now we have come up with a wonderful option for the student. Now we have started the pre-medical program, that is biotechnology, BS Biotechnology Honors Program, which also provides you the multiple during this program. You will be completing the online prerequisites of the pre-medical of the United States also. So you will be completing, instead of going to the US, you can save lot of money and at a very affordable price. You can complete the pre-medical here and then you can prepare for the MCAT and then subsequently you can go for the MD program or Doctor of Osteopathy program in United States, followed by the residency. Second option is that after 4 years you can directly give the GRE examination, TOEFL examination and complete. After completing the prerequisites required for the PA program, you can do the Master of Physician Associate from United States. Now, the wonderful thing about this program is that after 4 years completion, you can think whether you want to continue with MD program or you want to go for a Doctor of Osteopathy PA, or you have an option of going for a dental. You can take a physiotherapy, occupational therapy, Master of Public Health, multiple MS programs in biochemistry, microbiology like subjects, followed by the PhD programs, MBA Healthcare Management. All these programs are available for you. At a very cheaper rate, you can complete the pre-medical in India. So if you are interested for United States of America, so you can surely connect with me on the given below numbers. You can subscribe my channel, and secondly, we also guide you thoroughly for the complete admission process, profile built up, help for the scholarship, bank finances, everything. So we can surely connect, and I will be giving a personalized counseling free of cost to you, and we can plan accordingly. So wish you all the best. Think United States as a destination for your medical education.